Hi everyone. So today we have a very special puzzle in front of us. This puzzle is called Old MacDonald Had a Farm. So let's make the puzzle together. Okay. I think we're gonna go for this piece first. So we have our first piece over here. So this one says old. So we have to find the next piece. Let me see. I think I found it. I think it's this piece here. Looks like I'm getting so good at this. The next piece is somewhere over here. I think it's this piece over here. Yep, this piece here. Now, let's put the last two pieces in. This one and this one over here. Wait, we still have another piece. So far we have Old MacDonald had a farm. So where is the other piece? Let's take a look at our puzzle. Let's try over here. Look everyone, I have found it, the last piece. Now everyone, now we're going to look for this piece here. So we have found it. Let's take a look. Yes, that's the right puzzle. Let's place it in here. That's a cow, and the cow says, moo. Move over. Come on, let's keep finding the other puzzles. So everyone, we have our pieces here, and they're all scattered everywhere on the floor. Now I can see a few of the cow pieces. Let's put all the cows together. Look everyone, we have put all the cow pieces together. Now, who do we have here? Everyone, it's JJ. Let's find JJ's pieces. Okay, let me see. Give me 1 second. Hey everyone, look, so far I have put all these pieces together. So, thumbs up, it's looking good. Do you agree? Let's carry on. Oh no, there's one piece missing. Can you see? Over here. Now I have to go and find it. Where should I look? Oh no, I'm so sad. I'll just wait here and maybe somebody can help me. Hey Jojo, hi. What's the matter? I've lost the missing piece. You've lost a piece? Yeah, to the puzzle. The Old MacDonald had a farm puzzle. Hi everyone. They're all my friends and they're waiting for me to complete the puzzle, but I can't complete it if one piece is missing. Don't worry, I'll go and find it. Come with me everyone. Oh, it looks like I found it. Let me go and give this to Jojo. Look everyone, the last piece to the puzzle. And then it's completed. Come on, let's go and give this to Jojo. He'll be so happy. Oh, Jojo, don't cry. Look, I have found it. You found the last puzzle? Yeah. Do you want me to put it in? Yes, please. Okay. Let me just push it down. There we go. Look everyone, I have completed the Old MacDonald had a farm puzzle. Thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to press the subscribe button for more videos coming up. Jojo, don't jump on the puzzle because you'll ruin it. Oh. Smile and say cheese. Cheese. We are the cheeky monkeys.